In this episode, the series dives into how AI reshapes game design from adaptive NPCs to procedurally generated worlds. Industry experts explain how machine learning speeds testing, while developers share anecdotes about AI predicting bugs before they appear. The discussion weighs benefits like personalized experiences and accessibility against challenges such as bias and tool fatigue. Fresh stories reveal dynamic quests guided by AI, with researchers cautioning about over-reliance on simulated outcomes. Viewers leave with practical tips to balance creativity with control and a roadmap for responsible AI in gaming.